Hey those, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another week, it's another vlog. So this week I'm doing an afternoons in my life as an international student in India, and today is a Monday. It's already after classes. Yeah. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified that each time I post a video. So right now I'm going to the bank. Yeah, I have so many debts because I haven't been having money. So when I come back and clear them, and yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do just today. I just wanna go to the bank, come back and work on my research a bit. Yeah, that is it. But I hope you can enjoy the video. Just finished at the bank, guys. Yo, I find new guys today. Yo, drama, drama. But I'm done now. So yeah, praying. Let me not buy shoes. Okay, I'm always buying shoes, and I don't have money. I have a lot of people to pay. Let me not look at the shoes. Please. Not shoes, but perfume today. Money waster. Hi, Taiwan. Guys, I'm a one waster. Yes, yo. Try that one. So guys, I got myself this chaya and this snack, which is my favorite actually. It hits differently. Just look at that. I love it so much. It's basically a fried chili. I don't know what they put in it, but it's just a coated chili. I love it so much, and each time I come to this kada, so good. They never fail me. It's always on point. And the side chutney or whatever they give with it, my god, my god, I love it. I love it. Like you can tell from my face, and I'm saying it with my mouth. Like it's so good, and that really really happy dance. And just when I thought I had won, look at those crocs are staring at me like, buy me, buy me, buy me. But I didn't give in to temptation, guys. No ways. I'm done eating, drinking chaya. Now, you gotta be careful around here. Now, I want to go and recharge my line, then go back to hostel. Oh my goodness, God. There are a lot of cars, a lot of people, a lot of noise. Evan. And everyone is looking at me like, what is wrong with this African child? But again, it's for the content. It's done. Now it's night. Going for dinner. I'm always tired. Yeah. But you know what? I'm gonna push. Push, 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 push. Let's go for dinner. I wanna impilo yam yabora. Okay? Iyabora, bora, bodom. But again, we make the most of it. Yo, out this as if my life was not bad enough because I was tired. I came to the mess and this is what they served us. What? It was supposed to be biryani and this is what we got. I've never been so disappointed. I've never been so disappointed. Just see from my face. But guess now what to do? We have to eat because we have to eat to survive, and we need to survive in order to finish this degree and go back home. But then, guys, when I got back to the hostel, I did some writing. I was just trying to write my feelings down, but kind of things I always do when I get confused. So I just wrote for a while. I planned to do my research. I didn't. I don't wanna lie, I didn't do anything after this writing. Me and my bed together. Nothing else I did after that. Hey all dears, so today it's Wednesday. Yesterday I didn't vlog because I don't know what happened. Oh, I just fell asleep right after classes and woke up when it was time for food. So I just got lazy. I didn't vlog my afternoon yesterday. So today, as you can see me sitting here, guys, I'm defeated. Actually, I am so defeated. Yeah, I had it like I had this research, question like topic in my heart, and having it to be like not good enough for me to continue with it. It's like I don't know how I feel. I don't know how I feel about it because I think I just put in so much work inside it. I have all the articles ready and stuff, but it didn't get approved. So right now I'm so defeated. I am defeated. I don't wanna lie. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. But yeah, guys, if it get hard, pray about it. Pray about it, okay? So yeah, my hand is so tired right now. So right now, I just came back from my supervisor, my research supervisor. That is where I got the bad news. And right now, I'm preparing to go to the airport. One of our students is going home. Another one is going home today. My roommate. So yeah, maybe we'll see each other when I go to the airport. Okay, don't forget to subscribe.
I'm so fine, but as you can see, I'm taking some calls. Some people are trying to call me. Some are not picking. This one is taking nice, but all good.
See you on the other
Side of Africa.
side.
Uganda clubs are waiting for you, my
Hey guys, my current situation is I'm currently sitting at the back of the car with the bags. Ne? I'm trying to hold the bags not to fall over. And yabon guys, thanda izinto. Hayi shem. Ngobile inkinga yakhe akafuni ukuhlwana thina thina. Akafuni. That is why I'm sitting at the back with bags. But okay, let's do this. Did I tell them to come? Okay guys, current situation, we're inside the Uber, ne? And we are like 35 inside the Uber that carries 6 people. Okay, economy is low. I'm trying to see if the light is coming. Well, the bags are falling on top of me now.
What? Even your thing. It fell off.
അവിടെ എല്ലാ ഫിറ്റ്നസ് എക്യുപ്മെന്റ്സും ഫ്ലാറ്റ് 30% ഡിസ്കൗണ്ടിൽ കിട്ടും. കൂടാതെ മാസത്തവണ വെറും 1000 രൂപ മുതൽ.
Cosmos Sports, പാലാരിവട്ടം ഫ്ലൈഓവർ കൊച്ചി.
എന്താ ചേട്ടാ മഴ തുടങ്ങിയപ്പോഴാണോ വീട് പണി?
Back again. How about it? We are back again, Shane. Hey artists, so today's a Thursday. We didn't go to classes because of rain, so I just came to walk. So I decided to buy some few things from the shop. Yeah, and I found brown sugar. I found brown sugar. I didn't think they had brown sugar, but I found brown sugar. Yeah. Bye guys. Hey out there, so today is a Friday and it's 5 p.m. after classes. Right now I'm going to the library because Yeah, as I mentioned the other day, they changed my topic, so I'm going to look for a new topic today. I guess I don't know how we're gonna do that, but I still feel convinced about my previous topic though. But yeah, let's try and find something related to it. But first, I'm gonna take tea. Yeah, because it's about to go down. Yep. So guys, in the library, I managed to sneak in my phone, of course, and I caught this beauty. What? But right after that, see Mokel, I just realized my student card was twisted. I don't know like a what in my neck. Frustration, guys, is not good for the youth. Okay, just look at me right here. This is the me, defeated, finished, over. I don't have any other words like pelile nje kusekho. I guess sana, but after that I did appreciate my library because it's basically the best place I love in the school. It is the best library I've ever seen. But it doesn't do anything for my stress, shame ke sana. Still my stress is growing. Angathi sitawuthiwani. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, I just got back from the library. I'm currently going back to hostel right now. um I've never felt so defeated in my life like today. This is like a few minutes after the mental breakdown, of course. I've never been so defeated. Like my mind, I always say that my mind, it's so fast. But today, please don't mind lighting, guys. I'm walking, so it's in the night also. My mind, I've always said that, like my mind can it can switch very fast. Like if I have to think about something, I just think about it. Like it's hard, but it's not that hard. But research has had me, I don't know, I can't think of anything because all the topics I was feeling like, yeah, I'm gonna do this one. They rejected them. So right now, I'm so defeated. I've never felt like this over schoolwork ever. I think I put in so much passion in the previous topic because it was basically something I want to do when I go back home. So now it didn't work and my mind is just not able to accept. Let me just put it like that. My mind is not able to accept it. But guys, okay, let me go. Angati guys, angati like I wanna umdali yet but don't sit ashamed. Like God is the only one that can help me right now because I just sat there in the library going through other topics and I don't feel a kick. Angati, you get me? Yeah. You're reading something but you don't feel like you can, it doesn't give you that thing, man. Okay, now it's stuck. Yeah, so as I was saying, guys, like you read something and you don't feel interested. Like I just Abo, Abo, education is so hard. It is so hard, and you get to question yourself every day: is it worth it? Is it really worth it? Hi guys, so I think this is the end of the vlog because tomorrow, guys, I want to just take a break from everything, so I'm gonna end the video here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you are new and you watched till this far, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. Till the next one.